For over 30 years, Energy Recovery has been a trailblazing, trusted innovator of the most widely adopted, field-proven energy recovery device on the market, and supplier of over 35,000 PX pressure exchangers in over 100 countries. Energy Recovery is now offering the next evolution in our PX technology, the PX Q400. The PX Q400 boasts our highest efficiency at our highest flow to date. This PX has the lowest lifecycle cost of any energy recovery device for seawater reverse osmosis desalination and is poised to cut seawater desalination costs even further. What's the secret? Improved volumetric mixing and higher capacity results in 25% fewer devices compared to the Q300. With a 30-year design life and no scheduled maintenance, the Q400 has the same reliability and durability the PX pressure exchanger is known for. Talk to an energy recovery representative to learn how the PX Q400 can help you make your water treatment processes more sustainable, including for seawater reverse osmosis and wastewater applications.